Hello all, I want to thank you for coming to our presentation. Nice to see all of you. Before I started my introduction, I was the presenter Syeihan Ahmad RAHAJI. We are a two-person English group. Let me introduce the group member. First REZA, but MUSTHOFA, then SENLI, for Ryan. Today we will discuss artificial intelligence, but before that I will briefly explain artificial intelligence. The next presenter is REZA, who will explain the definition and history of artificial intelligence. Second, MUSTHOFA will explain how artificial intelligence works. Third, SENLI will explain about the categories and types. Last, Ryan will explain about implementation. Okay, let's get started. Now, I will hand it over to my colleagues. REZA? No, REZA will talk about the definition and history of artificial intelligence. REZA, the floor is you.
For the first is a definition. Artificial intelligence or AI is a machine that makes it possible to learn from experience, adapt to new inputs, and carry out tasks like human. Most of the AI example you heard today, from computers playing chess to self-driving cars, rely heavily on deep learning and natural language processing. And the next second is a short history. The term artificial intelligence was coined in 1956, but AI has become increasingly popular today thanks to increased data volumes, advanced algorithms, and increased compute power and storage. Early AI research in the 1950 explored topics such as problem solving and symbolic method. In the 1960, the U.S. Department of Defense took an interest in this type of work and began training computers to mimic basic human reasoning. DARPA produced the Smart Personal Assistant in 2003, long before Siri, Alexa, or Cortana were named.
Okay, thank you, Reza. Well, I'd like to continue with the development of artificial intelligence in today's world. Currently, the artificial intelligence is experiencing rapid development. Many companies are starting to develop and use it. Even AI has begun to enter into everyday life and continues to enter various sectors of life. From simple things like playing chess to complex things like robotic, the extent of artificial intelligence has been made to facilitate human works that achieve maximum result in each sector by automate. And then some sector that has been entered by artificial intelligence are industrial, business, internet, and other sector. An example of use of artificial intelligence is Siri application from Apple company. And then, how does artificial intelligence works? So, artificial intelligence has cognitive ability to think like humans. Why that? The artificial intelligence can do problem solving. But how does artificial intelligence do that? How can a machine do thinking like humans? Is this magic? No, 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 no. Artificial intelligence is man-made. So, artificial intelligence transfer intelligence that is owned by humans, transfer it into the machine by computerized machine algorithm. Put simply, there is a data or input is analyzed and processed by algorithm that has been implanted into the machine, and then the result of conclusion or output are run by the machine to create a new algorithm, with this algorithm will be used again to analyze and process the data. So, more input is added, the machine ability to problem solving will increase, and then the ability of artificial intelligence that must have is a computerized ability such as machine learning. Normally, the ability of machine to run something without having to have external programming. So, most important thing that artificial intelligence must have are intelligence algorithm and machine learning capabilities. Okay? That's all I have to say about artificial intelligence work. That's it from me. Now, I will hand it over to my colleague SENLI. Now, SENLI will talk about categories and types of artificial intelligence. Okay? SENLI, the floor is yours.
Okay, let's me to explain about categories and types of artificial intelligence. AI have two categories. There are weak and strong. Weak AI, also known as narrow AI, is an AI system designed and trained for specific tasks. While strong AI, also known as general artificial intelligence, is an AI system with general human cognitive abilities. When presented with specific tasks, powerful AI system can find solution without human intervention. Next to types of artificial intelligence. AI have four types. There are reactive machine, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. Okay, let's see one by one types of AI. Type 1. Reactive machine. Reactive machine is the most basic type of AI system. This means that they can form memories or use past experience to inform future decision. For example, Deep Blue, a chess-playing supercomputer created by IBM in the mid-80s. Next, Type 2. Limited memory. Unlike reactive machine, this AI system can use past experience to inform future decision. Some decision-making function in self-driving cars are designed in this way. These observations are not kept permanently. Type 3. Theory of mind. The term psychology refers to the notion that others have beliefs or desire and intentions that influence the decisions they make. This type of AI does not exist until now. And the last type of AI is self-awareness. In this type, AI systems have a sense of self. have awareness. Machines with self-awareness understand their current state and can use information to deduce what others are feeling. This type of AI does not exist until now.
Example of artificial intelligence hacking of business as well. Number 1. Robotic. Industry leaders still can agree on what the term robot embodies. Robotic understand robot to be programmable machine that carry out tasks. But nobody can pinpoint exactly where that definition ends. Number 2. Healthcare. Artificial intelligence is proving to be a game changer in healthcare, improving virtually every aspect of the industry from robot-assisted surgeries to safeguarding private record against cybercriminals. Number 3. Finance. Finance industry are a match made in heaven. The finance sector relies on a query, real-time reporting, and processing high volume of quantitative data to make decisions. A race intelligent machine excel in. Thank you.
That brings us to the end of our presentation. I will briefly summarize the main point. Okay, in short, the application of all greatly influence the way we live, interact, and enhance our imprints on comfort. All continue the evolve and there are many more also to come in the years to come. Sure, a better all with more improvement, development, and implementation. That brings us to the end of our presentation. Overall, we've talked about artificial intelligence. Looks like our time is up. We really enjoy sharing ideas with you. Thank you, good morning, have a nice day.